For this one, you're going to need 4 tabs open. The first tab will be the old site administrator panel. The second tab is the old site, what you see if you go to the website right now. The third tab is the administrator panel for the new site. And then the fourth one is what the new site currently looks like. This has default information in right now. If we go back to the old site, you'll see that there's a menu here on the left. If you click wedding photos, then there's a sub-menu right here that has all the different weddings. So what I'm going to show you how to do is to create this side menu. So the easiest way to do for the old site is to go to Menu Manager. It's the left menu, and you want to look at menu items. So this is where you'll see when they're parent items that appear on the side, or when they are wedding photos or sub photos that appear under the other ones. The order that these appear here is the order they will then appear on this side. So we see that the home article is first. So if we go to the new site, we're going to go to Menus, Main Menu. And we have the home button, but we're going to have to change the article that it links to. In the old site, if you click in there, it tells you that the article is Welcome to On River's Edge. So we're going to go to, in the new site, Articles, Single Article. Then we want to select the article, which is Welcome to On River's Edge. Hit Save and Close. We're just going to make sure on the new site, when we refresh it, that that shows up. You may have instances where these pictures don't show. That's okay. I will go back and fix it later. That will especially be the case when you do the wedding photos. It'll end up with just a code that says some gibberish in there because I haven't turned that plug-in on yet. This menu looks different here. Again, I will fix that afterwards. Okay, so now since we have that one working, we'll go back to the old administrator. We'll click close out of that. The next one is About Us. And that one, the article's pretty close. It's named the same. Go to the new administrator panel, click New. Type in the title. Select article type, single article. Select About Us. Well, after you create the article About Us, then go in and attach it. Then you'll just continue on down that way. When you get to the ones that are a wedding, and they need to be under a subcategory, the parent one is here, and then you would choose it from the long line that, if you click this, it will appear under this home bar here. For the top menu item for wedding photos, it then goes to all these sub ones, but you need this to click into something. So if you click that, it goes to Barton and Piper's wedding, same as right here. So when you create on the new site wedding photos, link it to the article for Barton and Piper's wedding, and then when you create your next item, which will be called Barton and Piper, you'll see it goes to the same article. That's totally fine. So just continue on down there. You're going to have to ignore the one that says contact us, because the email contact here, because that sets up something different.